Hello Makale, welcome back to PathToExpert video series. For people who are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also follow me in all the social platforms. Let's get into today's video. It's day 18 and today will be the last part of console API. Have you ever wondered how we are getting some error messages like there will be stack trace? The error would have been caused by some line of code, but you can also see where that line of code is being used and which function, which line and all this stuff. This is called stack trace. Stack trace has all the details about that particular error from where it started, the execution and where all it has traveled. Say in your tool or application, you also want to print the stack trace so the user will know where exactly the error is. It is possible using console API. Imagine we have a function called f1 which we want to execute and print the trace. All we need to do is create the function and call console.trace and then say now I am going to call this f1 in a nested way. That is, I will create a function called f2 which will execute my f1 function, and I will create a function called f3 which will execute my f2 function. Now if I call my f3, you can see the complete trace. Anonymous is my desktop console, f3 is the first function, then f2 is the second function, then f1 is the third function, and then finally it's console.trace. I can actually pass data or objects within console.trace, so you can print that as well, but this is how we can print the entire stack trace of execution using console.trace. This comes very handy when you want to communicate something to your user who is a developer. Last but not least, I'm going to show you how to apply CSS or styles to your console statements. Exciting, right? When you open few consoles of few websites, you will see attractive messages or attractive colors and stuff. That is because people can apply actual CSS to the text messages which you are printing in console logs. Let's see how to do it. Say, let me do a simple console log of my name, console.log of Vilva. It's very normal, right? Now, if I want to apply CSS, all I have to do is before the string, add a percentage symbol and C. It's like our old C++ languages, and then put a comma and then add your CSS. I'll make my color green and font size maybe I'll make it very large. I'll make it 100 pixel, and for now it's enough. Add a semicolon. Now when I press enter, my name is in green color and is in 100 pixels. You can literally add any styling to your text that's applicable. This way you can give more presentable console statements for your users. That's it with the console API. We'll be seeing more APIs in coming days. So that's it for the day, Makali. Have a great day and see you all tomorrow.